If you are looking for a tool for fixing drywall or scraping something off, this is a fantastic set. This is the 5-piece putty knife set, and the sizes of these guys ranges from 1 inch all the way up to 5 inches. And I got to tell you, they're flexible enough to where when you need to push into something, they work really well. They're very smooth on top, and they have this grip right here where it's not going to fly out of your hand here. It's hard plastic on the yellow part, but all of the black parts are grippy here, and then it's got this hole here if you want to throw kind of like a rope through it if you're getting up and down ladders and you just want to drop it and hang it off your side here. So this is fantastic. I think this is a fantastic putty knife set. I think these are going to work very well, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5-inch putty knives, and it gives you a wide variety if you're scraping stuff for drywall. So if you're in the market for a putty knife set, these are fantastic, and I highly recommend them.